Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to actually use the layout template in GreenShift in WordPress-Blocksy. Okay, so again, we're here on our dashboard. On our left sidebar here, let's go over pages and click on Add New Page. Now, you don't have to make a new page just to use a template. You can edit your existing page or insert it into your existing page, but having this blank slate really makes it easy to teach you how to use them. So on the upper right hand side here, we have this pancake looking icon called GreenShift Helpers. Let's click on that. Let's click on Templates. And we have Layouts. Now, layouts are pieces of website that make it easy for us to just edit. So before we look at just the free ones that we can edit, let's look at what we have available here. So we have promos, home pages, and we can preview it, and it's going to take us to a separate site, right? And then it's going to show us what we can do using this template or layout. So it's very powerful, but again, with the crowns, you have to pay for these. So for the free one, let's go ahead and import this tool shop WordPress template one. Okay, and it should just be like a landing. Okay, there we go. This template is basically a full page. Oh, I wonder if they pay to use these. Oh, nice brands, by the way. And you can fully edit this and have this be your landing. And you don't have to be limited to power tools. You can say, let's replace this with something from our library. Let's use the stock images from cycling, right? And then we can just hover over this and then cycling lifestyle brand, right? And then for this one, we can just delete it if we don't need it. And then we can just hover over everything and replace everything as necessary. And okay, you'll say, but website assets, what next? Okay, so we're going to click over here on our settings here, which will reveal our right sidebar. And besides just being able to edit things from here, which you probably wouldn't need to since everything's laid out for you, you can, of course, change how things are laid out. We can make it the thumbnail sized or really small or medium sized or large or full sized as it was. And we can change the width, or that seems fine. And for everything else, like these have animations on them, and we can change the icons, how they're boxed, the colors. And if we wanted to, if we were happy with what we have here, we can continue, or we can add other blocks to customize it to our own needs. Okay, so there's how you use the template. It's actually a full-on page. You just have to click and edit. This obviously doesn't have a page title, so let's put it in as GreenShift layout test. Okay, and then we'll publish it as that, and we won't have any links to it, so we can go ahead and click on view. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on view and preview in a new tab, and this should give us a good idea of how it looks like on our website. So we have our header here, and think of this as starter layouts for our starter site. So we have our starter site over here and our header and everything, but GreenShift gives us the ability to make amazing looking pages without having to rely on what comes with our starter site. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.